Hi everyone, welcome to STONKAM Live Show. I'm Jasmine from STONKAM. So glad today to be your guide to give you a show around our new factory. So before we start, we'd like to give you an introduction of STONKAM. STONKAM was established in 2003. We have been focused on the vision solutions for vehicle security for over 19 years. And we have our own R&D, production, and sales team for these products. And we have been certified by IATF 16949 since 2010. So today, I'd like to give you a show around of our new factory because we have moved to this new site since last year. So now let's get started. Let's go. Before we get started, we need to wear a shoe cover to protect our shoes and also to keep the factory clean. Hi everyone, this is our first stop of our factory tour. So this is our office of the production center. We have the planning department, engineering department, and the quality department. They work every day to make our orders move on smoothly. And they plan the order, schedule the order, and to make our orders to be fastly processed day by day. Thanks to their works, so we have our production center going on quite well. Hi everyone, we just passed by our office, so now we come to the production lines. So before we enter the production lines, we need to do some like the testing to let go of our static electronics to keep the production line clean and clear. Let's start. So when the green light is on, it's okay, so we can go into the production center. Hi everyone, now we come to our production lines. We have the 5 production lines in our production center. We have the welding and soldering production line, and we have our camera production line and the monitor production line. So now let's take a look what they are doing here. Hi everyone, so now let's come to the monitor production line. You can see here our workers are assembling the monitors, and they put the front panel with the different electronic components. And after the PCB and the front panel is finished, they will pass the components to the next stop of our production line. So you can see here, each step is finished one by one by our workers. So with their work to make our orders and our products to be produced smoothly and quite well. Here is our camera production line. You can see here, each camera is assembled and finished by our workers step by step. You can see here, there has the front panel, the back panel, and the PCBs. And the PCB is put inside the panel and to be assembled by our worker. And in this way, all of the cameras will be finished step by step. Also, during the production, there will be the semi-finished product test in the camera production line. So you will have a better idea of what we are doing in the camera production line. Now we come to the agent testing room. You know, age testing is quite important in the electronic product production. Here we have the agent testing room. We have the cameras and the monitors that are under agent testing. So now please come and follow my lead. I will show you. Here you can see we have the different shelves for the burning testing, that is the agent testing as well. So you can see we have the monitors that is under agent testing. The monitor will be powered on at least for 8 hours. So after 8 hours, if the monitor can still work well, we will transfer the monitors to our next stop. Hi everyone, so now we come to the waterproof testing room. At the waterproof testing room, we will put our waterproof like the cameras to put under the waterproof testing, such as the IP16 line testing here. So now please follow my lead to have a look. Okay, so let's have a look what is the waterproof testing is. Here you can see here our worker is operating the waterproof testing for the cameras. The camera is put inside the water and it will work under the certain water pressure and to make sure there is no bubble coming out. So that will means the camera is under good condition under such a pressure. So with the waterproof testing, it can make sure that our cameras can work well even under such like the rainy and snowy weather and in the even harsh environment. Hi everyone, so this is our another production line. It is our DVR production line. So I'd like to show you around. Let's go. Hi everyone, so now we have entered the DVR production line. We have this production line to produce the intelligent device such as like the DVR and the different like the 360 system and also other AI products. So you can see here we have the different intelligent device to be assembled and finished here. Also on the other side, we will have a testing machine and a testing shelf for the auto testing for the DVR. Hi everyone, now we come to the DVR production line. So this is our testing part for the DVR. You can see here, there's a lot of shelf for the DVR testing. This is for the auto testing machine and shelf. So before we put our DVR to deliver, we will put it here for the complete testing by ourselves to make sure that the DVR will go through the qualified testing. So now everyone, we come to our final production line. This is our package production line. Here, all of our products will be waiting here to be packed before our delivery. So you can see behind me, there's a lot of carton box waiting for delivery and to be packed. So this is our final step before our products is shipped to our customer. Hi everyone, so this is our final part of our production line. This is the FQC part. Here, all of our products will be tested here before shipping out. You know, we want to make sure the products will go through the different testing before we ship out. So our workers here are testing them. And actually, before our FQC part, we have a more important testing room. Here, this is our laboratory. Later, I will show you around how our laboratory look like and what kind of different testing will going on there. Hi everyone, here is our testing center. I just mentioned that we have a core and important testing room. So this is our testing center. Here we have different testing devices such as the high and low temperature testing device and vibration testing device. Later I will show you around. Please come and follow my lead. So I like to introduce some different types of testing device to let you have a better idea. So here, this is our rapid temperature change testing device. It can make sure the products will work well under a quick and a rapid temperature change. So let's move on. So this is the device. Here, this is the high and low temperature testing device. It can test in the products to make sure they can work well under the environment of 70 degrees and minus 20 degrees to make sure they can work well in the harsh temperature environment. So here, this is the same type of the high and low temperature testing device. So this is our IP69K waterproof testing device. So it used to testing the products to make them can work well under sites like the rainy weather and also the harsh environment. So you can see here, this is the testing device. Our camera is undergoing the waterproof testing here. So this is our vibration testing machine. So the vibration test is used to testing the products to make sure they can work well under the vibrated environment. You know, like the vehicles and different trucks and some heavy-duty vehicles, they were working in quite harsh and vibrated environment. So the vibration test is make sure that the products will work well even in such a harsh environment. This is our ESD testing device. The ESD testing device is used for products to be tested under the ESD environment. You know, there will be a lot of static electronics during environment. So with this testing, we want to make sure that our products can work well under the ESD shock and will not be crashed. This is the soft spray testing device. So this device is used to testing for the product's housing to make sure that they will not be eroded during the harsh environment, such as like the sunset and the sunshine and any other chemical spray on that, to make sure that the surface of the product will not be eroded. This is our drop testing device. The drop testing device is used to testing the products after they are packed to make sure that they can work well during the shipping process, because they were testing with the carton box packed and to test it here to make sure they are qualified for the violent shipping during the shipping process. And this one is a cable swing test device. This device is used to testing the cables to make sure they are qualified for like the violent strains on the cable and to make sure that they can endure for a quite a long time during the lifetime of a product. And this is our live testing device. You can see here, all of our different types of products here are under the testing for the lifetime testing, under the constant power of 24 volt. And all the different products will be powered on and constantly work and day after day, and to make sure that they can work well. Hi everyone, so that's all of our show around today. I hope you have a better idea of our STONKAM and our new factory. And thanks again for visiting our showroom. See you!